everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need to switch GrubHub to your preferred language, here's how to do it in just a few taps. Start by opening the GrubHub app on your mobile device and log in if you're not already. So here, GrubHub does not have an in-app language change feature. Instead, it follows your device default language. So for that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called general management or system according to your device model. Go to language and here add new languages. You will find multiple options. Pick your preferred language like Spanish, French or anything your device supports. So here we have three options now. Let me go with this for now, and once done, tap apply. And now reopen the GrubHub app. The interface will automatically update to match your phone's language. GrubHub currently supports only major system languages, so some features may still appear in English depending on your region. And that's it. You have now changed the language in GrubHub. Drop a comment if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.